Katkum ka kubor bala yo lum menta ka step la ya thu ba i Dr. Amparin lengdo i bedai wei na ki menteri hapo jong ka sorkar MDA ilawan shikmat ban ya kynduh i ba arden milar paso yo moj kum ka riu shimet om ba in wan ban mi khmat na ka liang jong ka sorkar tung ne ngap hang ne ka ei ka ba kini ki arngut ki riu pau khmat jong ka jala ki don ban kren bat ban bab knam ba pinna ba snithu ya ka jing ya kren ka jong ki ha ka ne ka por
I think class itu, dia ada assembly Nongshong, commotion kalau apa kan dong alis bila social government bagi different apa nak party and all party meeting yang ada bagi different roster for us we don't need to discuss about roster you know what is roster they bagi don't come kalau pak strictly we want to discuss on this kata kita bagi kuah ini sih kalau dalam review dari solution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him so far. Pangini keciko aji kalau very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject to review, then you say keren bangsa. Dibagi kuah. First thing yang ada trend bah, at least the ratio should have been proportionate of population structure.
I will look at all your
yes. The government right was it has to be option.
I'm worried.
It has to be option. It has to be official. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write?
No. Better you will write. I cannot simply take it like this. Official, it has to be official. It has to be in black and white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. Official, it has to be official. It has to be in black and white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. How
then
the government looks at this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the resolution policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on resolution policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want to keep saying.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why people
No.
We need you.
Yes,
you are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about Nimla about Nongshong, of course.
Yes. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just have to see.
No.
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila naman tayo sorkar the shooting number. But the issue keep along.
No.
This is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
It should have been done. It should have been done.
You have the numbers. You will also not allow any other political party.
We will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss about
No,
it.
we will. I just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to-
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming
So
here.
you are saying I'll give it in writing. Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not do
Our message is very clear.
Tumulong
Reservation
in Pilihan,
is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you
Reservation-
make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the
Okay,
policy says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Hasi means what? So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kindram
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try
dividing.
to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't
I'm
try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come
Kindram
here to
Upanar
argue
Uboy
with you.
Uwam Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Boy, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That is
No,
what I'm
why should you
worried.
worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
what we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Sit, let us talk about this. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, Pa, I'm worried. I don't want to.
So
It's
if
not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
you,
for me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
For the
worry
state,
for
the
me.
state.
Okay. Worry
Not
for
good
the
for all of
youth
us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
Oh, I'm
Now,
ready to
please,
sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. So, as you wish, as you wish. I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
Pa,
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take
So,
care.
yeah.
Bila snow ngawan ban request si akan ban withdraw ya ka strike ni namar ba ikwa ban ya kren kami kampahan na takatang don ban o ngasuan ban request si ban smo ha ban withdraw no kaka education ni namar bang idon kam ya kren lem da kating ya kren siya ingin ya boy sa binig suku mla
Atau kalau belum mau saya dah katingun suan man kerpat klem na kajing tho.
Tapi ini saya tak kena. Nga ngaday ka Emily, ngaday ka Nongshong. Ngaslogan kaman ngalawan. Ngalale ina ka jong. Kajing hot ki isya kajing langin saya hot. Iwan pinin. Lak man ya friend.
Jadi message ko pak.
Kaya ni ngawan kum ka Nongshong. Ngawan kum ka Emily. Ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba kulit lah. Ngadan pohok kaman. Berrequest ni mansuha withdraw ya ka education. Tangkan tapi
Atau pinsa apa naman ito boss ito sa pwede pa kanina ban yusong
min
na
saya kan ya ka ay kapanjang ngimla pa niya kren ba nga kermen bakan ben iwan ban pen ben
yung tap yuan first na.
personal kung ganong song kung gawain ito pa try lang ba na try kam don problem kita